Hello, all. You have got 20 statements, and each statement has got 4 options. You need to choose the correct option which matches with that of the highlighted word. You may analyze your vocabulary skill. If you score 15 to 20, you are doing excellent. Below 15, practice more, and below 10, exhaustive practice. So let's not waste our time. The first sentence is the phone call was laconic. Answer is option 2. Diligent efforts on the part of the students led them to win. Answer is option 4. The novel I read was a sordid tale. Answer option 2. They graciously acceded to our request. Answer is option 1. Malnutrition is the common affliction of the poor. Answer is option 4. A glass of beer will only give you a transient effect. The answer is option 1. I cannot bear insolent children. Answer is option 3. The road is faced with adversities. Answer is option 1. The two leaders had a very candid talk. Answer is option 4. A bellicose approach should not be considered. Answer is option 2. That was gross. Answer is option 3. The Mona Lisa had an enigmatic smile. Answer is option 1. The student feigns sickness to avoid going school. Answer is option 3. The painting he drew is timeless. Answer is option 4. He is an illustrious person. Answer is option 2. The meeting is adjourned. Answer is option 4. He is convicted of robbery. Answer is option 3. The assault was premeditated. Answer is option 1. The felon committed another burglary. Answer is option 4. The CEO was involved in nefarious activities. Answer is option 2. You may comment your score down below. If you enjoy the video, please do give a like, share with your friends. Do subscribe for further amazing videos.